Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Test Automation of Mobile Application using Rational Test Workbench. Our guest speaker today is Sishinos Zacharias, Architect, Quality Management Division, IBM India Software Group. Shinoj is the Architect in the Quality Management Division of IBM. He is the Technical Lead for Rational Functional Tester, Rational Test Workbench, and the keyword support in RFT and RTW. He speaks at many internal and external conferences and works with customer in adoption of IBM quality management tools. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Shinoj.
Thank you. Let me share my screen so that everybody sees that. Okay. Good afternoon, all of you, and welcome to this session. Today's session is on automating your mobile applications using Rational Test Workbench. I hope there could have been many other sessions earlier about developing mobile application as well as automating mobile applications. Today we'll talk about how the Rational Test Workbench can be used for automation of your mobile application. So the first 5-10 minutes, I would like to cover the complete the application lifecycle management story around mobile application that is available from Rational Software. And also an introduction about what is Rational Test Workbench before going deep into the mobile testing capabilities. If you look at the overall Rational Quality Management solution, so the slide whatever you're seeing is basically the solution we have around quality management. You can consider this as our ALM portfolio. In the ALM application lifecycle management, we have basically the requirement management tool that actually interacts with a quality manager. That is our test management tool. And we have the defect tracking as well as version controlling system that is provided by Rational Team Consult. And all our product is built based on a platform called JAS platform. This is a collaborative application development platform where you can integrate your products to a JAS platform. You can build your products on top of JAS platform. So whenever you start a project, you have a requirement coming from the field, and you capture all the requirements in your requirement tools. We have requirement tools that are varieties of requirement tools, but the most commonly used are some of them listed under the requirement management diagram here, RRC. And whenever you have the requirement, you can actually, once you capture the requirement, you can actually start your test planning using test management. And at the same time, you can create your task items in Rational Team Consult so that developers can deliver their changes using Team Consult. And you also have all the bidirectional links between all these work items so that there's a very good traceability between all these tools. So anybody working in one of these tools can actually see what is the other work item or the task that is in the other tools. For example, from the requirement I can see the test plans, and from the quality manager I can see the work item that is there in the Rational Team Consult. That's nothing but a version control systems or defect management system. And if you look at the bottom, all this Rational Quality Manager integrates with all other testing tools. The Quality Manager you basically use for your test plans, test cases, and test executions, and basically all the reports. All those management activities you do basically in the Rational Quality Manager, and once you have the Quality Manager, you can execute your test, whether it is a functional test or performance test or your security test, from Rational Quality Manager, from your test case, and you can get a report of the execution verdict. For example, when you run a functional tester, so it will basically execute the test. At the end of the execution, you have a report that says whether the test is being passed or failed, and you might have a lot of other assets along with your test executions. And all those assets, all those reports is being uploaded to RQM, and you can see all the results from RQM. So RQM is the central repository for managing all your test and execution results. And also it provides lab management capabilities. And RTW is another integration, because our today's talk is on RTW, and RTW we have an integration with the Rational Quality Management. This I just showing this picture to get you the complete picture of the ALM solution and how this mobile testing